All right, so let's begin now. We have 2 chapters coming for our UT2, right? Which are those 2 chapters? 7 and 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's just start to revise. I'm going to ask you a few questions and let me see if you all can answer or not. Ready?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we take some time to revise?
Uh, it's not any kind of a test, beta. Let's just practice it without wasting any time. Okay?
Okay.
If you cannot answer, you can take help of your book. Also, keep your copies ready with you so that you can write down important things. Okay. What is the sun called in French? What is the sun called? Type in the chat box. S-O-N. Sun. Not that heavenly body sun. Very nice. Daksh Bhardwaj has answered. It's called. Akshat, you can better please type in the chat box. All right. A son in French is called le fille. What is a daughter called? Very nice. Son is called le fille. Now you have to tell me what is a daughter called. Very nice. Very good. A daughter is called la fille. Fazil, why aren't you replying?
Ma'am, his name is Fazil.
Fazil. Fazil. Okay. Fazil, where is your reply in the chat box? I can't see it. And children, please sit with your videos on. Why do you do this to me every time? Very good. Fazil has answered. La fille. Okay. The next question is, what is a grandfather called in French? Daksh, your answer is la grand-père. Is it la or le? Tell me. It should be la or le.
Ma'am, by mistake I touched A in place of E.
Yes. So these little by mistakes only make us lose our marks. Okay. Le grand-père. Very nice. Now what is a grandmother called? What is a grandmother? Superb. Grandmother is called le grand-mère. Only 2 answers, 3, 4. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is it necessary to put dash between grand
Yes.
and marriage?
Yes. It is compulsory. Okay. What is grandchildren called? What are grandchildren called in French? What are grandchildren called? Very nice. Les petits enfants. Amazing. Grandchildren are called les petits enfants. Now let's talk about a few verbs. What is the verb for to draw? Can you tell me the verb for to draw?
Ma'am, please repeat.
What is the verb for to draw? What is to draw called in French? I want to just know the verb. A verb for
Ma'am, DES.
no beta wait. Now look into the chat box.
Verb for to draw.
Yes, verb for to draw. What verb do we use? Okay, very nice. The verb for to draw is dessiner. Fazil has given correct answer. Uzair, I did not ask you to conjugate the verb. I only asked what is the verb for to draw. Whenever you are asked the verb, you give the verb in its infinitive form. You do not conjugate it. And whenever any verb has to be framed in a sentence, whenever any verb has to come in any sentence, we conjugate the verb depending on the subject pronoun or the noun. Clear? Clear? Now, what is the verb? Now, listen to the next question very carefully. What is the verb for to study? What is the verb for to study? Everybody type it in the chat box. Very nice. The verb for to study is étudier. Very good. What is the verb for to count? Correct. The verb for to count is compter. What is the verb for to hate?
Ma'am, please repeat.
What is the verb to hate?
Hate.
Hate. Yes.
Detester.
Detester. Aryan, something is wrong with your device, beta.
Okay.
Some sound is coming continuously. Now I have muted you. Detester. Very nice. Okay. Now, children, if I want, if I tell you to conjugate the verb detester with subject pronoun nu, what will it become? My question is conjugate detester with nu.
Nu detester.
No, nu detester? Really? Daksh, this is wrong. Beta, you haven't conjugated the verb. We never put the infinitive form with subject pronouns. What do? We conjugate them. Yes. Detestant. But it is not ONZ, it is ONS. With nu, we always have ONS. Now, Daksh, you have typed. Your answer is correct now. Ashi, the answer is wrong. Dhruv, the answer is wrong. Nous détestons. What will it become? It will become nous
Nu
détestons.
detestor.
Very nice. Nous détestons. Like that. Now, if I say my word is, if I want to write they hate, what will you write? How will you write it in French?
Ma'am, they is plural. Ma'am, they is feminine or masculine.
Whenever it is not specified, beta, you can write any of your choice. If it is not specified. They hate. Fazil, your answer is wrong, beta. We need to conjugate the verb. You haven't conjugated it. Dhruv, the spellings are absolutely wrong. The word makes no sense. Desperate. No. I haven't got any correct answer. Daksh Bhardwaj, your answer is wrong. All right, everybody look into the chat box. Beta, why do you forget to conjugate the verb? Tell me. जब तक हम इसको conjugate नहीं करेंगे तब तक इसको हम infinitive form में नहीं डाल सकते. ILS, what is the pattern of ER ending verbs? E, ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. Now, when we talk about ILS and ELLES, we have to put ENT in the end. We remove ER, detester में से पहले ER हटाओ, and then place ENT. This is the fixed format of ER ending verbs. Il déteste. We call it il déteste. No one has given correct answer, even after reading out my answer. Everybody type in the chat box. RN Patel, your spellings. All of you type it in the chat box and show it to me how it's written. Akshat Chandra, again it's wrong. Yes. Daksh, your answer is correct. Il déteste. Il déteste. Very good, Fazil. Now it's correct. What about others? Mohammad Uzair, Akshat, Ashi, Dhruv, Aryan. Il déteste. No, Aryan. No. Aryan's is correct. This one. Dhruv Kumar. Il détestent. Dhruv, it's wrong, beta. Detest. Yes, Mohammad Uzair. Your reply is correct. Now, similarly, if I say, what is the verb for to look? What is the verb for to look at? It's regarder. Regarder. Whenever any verb is asked, we tell it in the infinitive form, like how it is written on page number 81. नीचे जो पूरा एक list दी हुई है verbs की, whenever we tell any verb, we tell it in its infinitive form. This is the infinitive form. Whenever we conjugate it, whenever we have to put it in a sentence, we conjugate it. We use it in its conjugated form. Now tell me, if I want to say that we all look at the sky, we look at. So what will be the subject pronoun for we? What is the subject pronoun?
J.
Huh?
J.
No, it's no. No, very nice. Beta, J stands for I. I am saying we all. We all look at
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sky.
News.
Yes, no.
Nous regardons.
Very good. Who was it?
Nous, ma'am, I. Nous
Very nice.
regardons.
Very good. With nous, the pattern is ONS. So it becomes nous regardons. Everybody type in the chat box. Who is it? Mohammad Uzair. Nous regarder is wrong, beta. Nous regarder is wrong. See, look at the table that is given. The pink table given on page number 81.
Ma'am, please see mine.
Ashi, nous regardons, absolutely correct. Then Dhruv Kumar, nous regardons, correct. Daksh Bhardwaj, nous regardons, correct. Aryan Patel, I can't see your answer. Where is Aryan Patel? Okay, Aryan Patel, nous regardons, correct, absolutely correct. So this is how you do it with nous. Now, if I tell you, see, look at the table on page number 81, the pink table. Two verbs are given. Verb aimer, which means to like or to love, and verb parler, which means to speak. Now let's read out these two verbs. If I want to say, I love or I like something, what will I say? J'aime. J'aime, the first one. You like chocolates. Tu aimes chocolat. Tu aimes chocolat.
Chocolate.
Now
Chocolat.
look at the difference here. When I use M with je, it ends in E. But when I use M with tu, it ends in ES. Correct? ES. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
if I tell you he likes chocolates, he or she, LM, ILM.
LM.
LM chocolate.
LM chocolate.
LM chocolate.
ILM de chocolat. De chocolat. Then, nous
Ma'am, we
aimons
say chocolat or chocolat?
chocolat.
Chocolat.
Nous aimons des chocolats. We all love chocolates. Nous aimons des chocolats.
Chocolat.
You all love chocolates. Vous aimez chocolat.
Vous aimez.
Yes, vous aimez.
Vous aimez chocolat.
Then they love chocolates. Ils aiment
Il aime chocolat.
LM des
Chocolat.
So now we have this. What is the pattern? ESE. Look at this table. table and look at the words that are highlighted in red color. Look at these alphabets. If we only
Yes,
read
ma'am.
out,
E.
yes, if we only read out these endings, what are they? E, ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. Correct? Can you all
Yes,
see
ma'am.
it? So this is the pattern, this is the format in which ER ending verbs work. This is the working. Now, if I tell you that you have to tell me what is we count numbers. We count numbers. What is the verb for count?
Compter.
Counter. Now everybody write it. We count numbers.
Compter.
We count. What is we count?
Nu.
Yes. Nu. Very nice, Daksh. Nu compton. Very good. Nu compton. So this concept is also clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Of the of infinitive verbs and their conjugated forms. Then, children, if I tell you to translate a few sentences, will you be able to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The first sentence is,
Yes, ma'am. We will try.
yes, very good. The sentence is, I study maths, science, and English. Translate in French. Now, Daksh, beta, what have you done?
Ma'am, je étudie math science.
Okay. One thing, that étudier again you have put in the infinitive form. Were you not supposed to conjugate it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Étudier.
J'étudie.
Étudiants. J'étudie.
No, Aryan. Why étudiant? Are you using it with no? No, you are using it with I. So what it becomes? J'étudie. J'étudie. What is maths called in English, French? What is maths?
Ma'am, don't know.
Okay, everybody look into the chat box what I have typed. J'étudie mathématiques, sciences et anglais. This is how you type this in, translate this in English. Now children, where have I got this mathematics from?
Ma'am, from a book.
Which book? This book only?
Yes, ma'am.
So why couldn't you people type it? Each one of you has typed maths. Why? Look at page number 73. Open up page number 73 and on the top, a timetable is given of various subjects.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am,
see?
in the top.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this science is written as science only.
Yes. It's called science. Science is fine. The spellings are same, only the pronunciation is different.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, why miss you? मैम मैथ यूज के नीचे में
Music. It's mathematic and music.
म्यूजिक
Yes. Music. Beta, now 9
Ma'am,
o'clock. Look at the timetable. 9 o'clock they study maths on Wednesday. And at 10 o'clock they have music class. This is a timetable that is given. It's not mathematic music.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Akshay Chandra is writing anything on chat box.
Akshat Chandra, something is wrong, beta. Okay, Ashi, Kumar, everybody put your videos on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now, the next one is translate this sentence. The sentence is, we have an exam today. We have an exam today.
Ma'am, what we call have?
What is the verb for have? Can anyone tell? The verb for to have is what?
Have one.
Avoir. Now, if I want to say I have, it becomes ye. If I want to say we have, it becomes nous avons. Look into the chat box.
Ma'am, in chat box there is written, ma'am, sorry, my
J. Nous avons. J means I have, nous avons means we have.
Ma'am, I have sent the translation in chat box.
Nous avons le contrôle aujourd'hui. Very good. Very nice. So, if you want to say we have an exam today, nous avons le contrôle aujourd'hui. Okay, next question, children. Now, be very careful in your exam. If you are asked to translate a sentence, give its translation. If you are asked to give the answer, don't translate the question, just reply to the question in French. Is it clear? Last time also, I saw this major problem with students. When asked a question, they translated the question in English. When you will be asked about the translation, it will be written translate in French or translate in English. But only when a question will appear in front of you. That means the question has to be answered. And certainly it's your French exam, so you're going to answer it in French only. Clear to all of you? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, my question is, look into the chat box. I'm typing the question. Can you all see it?
Combine des jours, il y a dans une semaine.
Combien de jours il y a dans une semaine?
Ma'am, why have you written 2 times semaine?
Because first time the spelling was wrong.
Ma'am, it means how many days are in a week?
Yes. Now all of you type the answer of this question. Fazil, have you typed the answer, beta?
No, ma'am, he has typed the question.
You have only written the translation. I want the answer of this question.
Ma'am, I have written in the chat box the answer.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I have also
Thank you.
written.
You are cheated.
No, he has not cheated. Because you have not written jour, you have written hours. And
Ma'am,
Dhruv Kumar?
the system has changed the word.
Yes. And Dhruv Kumar,
My-
il y a 7 dash dans une semaine. You have eaten the word jour. But no problem. I'll still consider this answer. Okay, the next one, il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Very good, Mohammad Uzair. Il y a 7 il a. Now, Ashi, beta, it is important to write the alphabet Y in between. Il a. That becomes this. This means he has. He has 7 days in a week. Ilya set jours. Ilya means there is or there are. The next question is. The next question is.
You are writing chat box.
Yes, I'm typing in the chat box. Next question is this to everyone. Quel âge avez-vous?
Ma'am, it means what is your age?
Yes.
What is your age?
Yes. Quel
Ma'am, I
âge
don't know this.
avez-vous? Why don't you know? Quel âge avez-vous? Okay. Everybody see. What is your age? Tell me, students. What is your age?
Ma'am, 12 years.
Ma'am,
What is?
ma'am,
Yeah.
please tell, ma'am, what we call age, ma'am, what we call years in French?
ANS. Very
Ma'am,
nice.
writing-
Mohammad Uzair. Absolutely correct. Hey, do's ons. So this
Ma'am,
is how you, yes, this is how you type. Very good, Aryan Patel. Ye do's ons. Dhruv Kumar. Good. So this is what you type. Then children, let's come on to the other thing.
I want to ask something, ma'am. It is important to write, ma'am. I am 12 years old, ma'am. I can write 12, or we have to write those only.
See, I would prefer you to write in French. Give the number name in
ma'am.
French. Just don't write numeric form.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now translate this sentence in English. I'm typing a sentence. You have to translate it, and we are left with no time.
Ma'am, can we write
Ma'am,
the
class is
answer
about
on group?
to over.
Type it in the group. You can send the answer on the class group.
Ma'am, class is about to over.